Welcome back, everyone. Wanted to continue our discussion on the chip shot. First of all, I wanted to talk about the when and the why of the chip shot. So the when for the chip shot is anytime we have a relatively flat surface, we're not trying to go over any mounds, sand traps, heavy rough, and we have plenty of green to work with where we can let that ball roll out. Okay. This is not the high soft shot. We want to get this ball on the ground and rolling as quickly as we can. So the why is because we're getting that ball on the ground as quickly as we can and rolling, we're going to have much more control over that golf ball than we will with the high shot. The second and probably the more important benefit of the chip shot versus the pitch shot or a lob shot or even a flop shot is that because in the setup we're getting so much closer to the ball and we're setting this shaft at a much more vertical angle, what we're doing is we're using much more of the bounce of this club. Most of the bounce in a wedge is built into the toe here, and so by getting this club elevated and this shaft vertical, we get the heel off the ground. Now we've got the bounce built into it, and so even if we hit significantly behind that ball, the bounce of the club is going to allow us to still make fairly decent contact, and we're not going to have to worry about a chili dip or hitting it real fat behind the ball. So those are a couple of things to think about when you're evaluating whether you should be hitting the chip shot and what the benefits of the chip shot are. Try those tips at home next time you get out on the golf course.